back. Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel, where I show you how to be your own boss by getting side gig jobs, gigs, routes for your courier business, start a new business, finding ways to make money on your own, get out the 9-to-5 rat race. We about that. So, another courier shipping company related video, how to be your own boss by driving your own vehicle or your own truck, anything, box truck, whatever you use to transport things, people, items. I'm going to show you how to make money using these sites and using these apps. If there's something you're interested in, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, because I'm here 2-3 times a week with the this content. I have a credit channel too, so never mind. Edit this on that right there. Yeah. All right. So, Shiply. Yeah. Shiply is a website that connects shipping companies and people who need shit shipped. How you come in is you are the shipping company. I encourage you guys, especially if you want to be serious about this, Sprinter van game, box truck, courier service, transport service, all the way around. Go ahead and get it signed up, register with the state, get your EIN, get all the proper paperwork. If you're going to be over the road, get your authority, get your MC, and go ahead and get everything the right way, because when you come to these companies, they want to make sure that everything is legit. They might not always need authority or MC, but they definitely want to see that you are a credible business, and they will verify that. So you want to get everything set up correctly. If you need help with that, my other channel, Credit K, I'll show you how to, set up businesses, set up everything to get structured the right way. So go ahead over there and get that information. But let's get into this site, Shiply. All right, Shiply. So I signed up a couple of days ago. I haven't really received any routes or anything, but everything seems okay. Definitely going to do a further review once I get going with them and actually, take some routes, take some shipments. But basically, like I said, it connects you with people who need stuff shipped. It could be a regular person, or it could be a large company who, like a large furniture company who needs things shipped all the time. Going to how it works here. You connect you with a shipping company. So you're this guy here, shipping company. People need things moved, furniture, cars, parts. Then you get the quote. They show, what's the pay, how far, what's the item. Deposits made, you're on your way. Everything is handled through here. You don't have to worry about not getting your money. Everything is handled through this site. Great pricing, what I've seen so far. But let's get into some loads. Here's my back office with Ship/Fleet ATL. And then, you kind of create all the stuff you like, all the stuff you want to ship. I'm not really shipping any cars in the Sprinter van that I have or in the SUV, but, small items like car parts, furniture, some other things I am able to move with the van I have. So I will look for those type shipments. So you go to the search shipment tab. And also, shipping pays you $25. What's going to find back? Should be going to pay you in placing your first 50 quotes on the site. So they'll pay you for actually putting your quotes for shipping stuff on the site, which is very good. So here is the things I'm looking for. Boxes. Here's some cars. I need to take that off. I'm not really looking for cars, other vehicles, but maybe they may put car parts under there. So I'm going to leave it for right now. But now here actually is a vehicle parts tab. So we're not going to do that. Let's take cars off, add furniture. And Florida, Georgia, South Carolina. Here's a region. I'm in the Southeast, so here's the region I would like to grab loads from. And here are the loads. Let's actually go to see what happens when I go there. All right. So here is a shipment of wooden beams. All right. So Had a phone call interruption. They calling me to get these routes out, guys. But I put business on hold to help you guys get these loads. All right, so here I am. I'm close to Conyers. This is a great one. All right, so we look at it here. They want linen in bedroom. We're going from east side of Atlanta, Conyers, up to Marietta. That's about a 51 miles out. Yeah, it's about an hour. Yeah. About an hour trip right there. And they paying $350 to move some furniture, linen and bedroom furniture. So probably a bed, some dressers. Probably need 2 people, but that is a nice little quote. Hour drive, probably take you an hour to get everything loaded up safely. 2 hours, $350. Yeah, it's a nice little quote. I wouldn't mind taking that though. Amount to you, minimum quote. So I can actually change this and put my own quote on here. I can tell you what kind of van I got. Oh, wow. So it's a lot of detailed information in here, you guys. What you can do, what you can provide for them. You can kind of counteract quotes. So that's pretty cool. Let's go back and see what let's put a watch on there so we can watch it. Put that on the watch list. Go back here. What else we got? We got 2-piece hutch, a grill in Florida, some pallets of water, TV console, small envelope. So let's see what this is about. Small envelope going from Tampa to Miami. It's a 4.5-hour trip. And a couple of shipping companies already have, I guess, bidded on it. Oh, okay. I see what's going on. Okay. This is what people's companies already bidded on it. And then this is what you can bid on here. So a small envelope, people want $250. With the car, it just says a small envelope and doesn't tell you how much it weighs or anything. Car, hello, shipping rates, flexible, take care of this April 8th, wrapped up and protected. Please refer more details and time frame so I can give you more accurate quotes. All right. This is interesting. All right, guys. So this is Shipley. I'm not going to hold you up on this video too long. I'm probably going to edit a lot of this stuff out. But you want to, dive into Shipley. Great company to book loads. You see the amount of loads they have on there. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. So get on it.